You feel pretty confident changing a flat, but you might not know how to ship tires to avoid loss during transit. We're here to help you package your wheels and tires with confidence. Good news! If you're shipping tires without wheels, you don't need to box them. You can simply place a tire label directly onto the tread of the tire and ship using your preferred service. We strongly recommend using the FedEx Tire Tab label as the best solution to prevent lost tires. To use the FedEx Tire Tab label properly, apply the primary label to the tread of the tire. Then apply the secondary tab label with the barcode and tracking information to the tire's sidewall. This dual label approach is especially beneficial when shipping tires in bundles, as it ensures both tires have a label and barcodes are visible for easy scanning, reducing the risk of lost or misplaced tires. While bundling multiple tires is not recommended due to the potential for loss and damage, we understand it may be necessary in some cases. If shipping a bundle of 2 tires, place the primary label on one tire's tread and the tab on the outer-facing sidewall of the other tire. You should also use at least 4 thick bands or enough stretch wrap to secure them tightly and prevent any shifting during transit. Ordering tire or crate labels is easy. Call customer support or contact your sales representative. Now, if you're shipping tires with wheels or rims, you'll need to gather some supplies. Depending on your preferred shipping method and items, you may need bubble packaging and other cushioning materials, large sheets of cardboard, packing tape, and stretch wrap. If you're shipping wheels with the tires still attached, you'll need a minimum of 2 inches of cushioning on any metal surface before placing the tire inside the box. Place a copy of the label inside the box. Use the H-taping method to seal the top of the box, applying all tape equally across all the seams and flaps, and apply the shipping label on top of the box. Now you're ready to ship. For wheels or rims without tires, the process is a bit different. Start by cushioning the entire surface of the wheel or rim. If it's a decorative wheel, like chrome or painted, it's best to box it up to avoid scratches. For non-decorative wheels, you can simply wrap them in heavy-duty plastic and tape them securely. When you're deciding how to ship tires, you will need to consider how heavy your tires are. If your tires are less than 150 pounds, you have a few options. If it's over 150 pounds, you'll probably be sending them via freight. Now that you know how to properly package your tires, you can feel confident that they're always ready for the road, even when they're being shipped. If you need assistance with printing a label, you can always go to a FedEx office location. For more information on how to ship tires, shipping services, and detailed how-to guides, visit fedex.com/tires.